Hi guys, welcome to Exam Wings. Let's start today's current affairs. Question number 1. When was Bharat Parv started? Answer 2016. Explanation. Ministry of Tourism is organizing Bharat Parv every year. During the Republic Day celebration, the event was held in front of the Red Fort city wall. The organization of these events aims to generate patriotic passion. It also showcases the rich and diverse culture of India. Central ministries and other organizations showcased handicraft, music, dances, handlooms, paintings, literary materials, and other features from all over the country. Question number 2. From Des Bharat Parv 2021 was organized. Answer January 26, 2021 to January 31, 2021. Explanation. From January 26, 2021 to January 31st, 2021, Bharat Parv 2021 was organized. The overall theme of Bharat Parv annual event is Atmanirbhar Bharat and Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Question number 3. When was National Children Award for Outstanding Achievement renamed as Bal Shakti Puraskar? Answer 2018. Explanation. Bal Shakti Puraskar award is awarded to children in the fields of social service, academics, innovation, sports, art and culture, and bravery. It comes with a medal and a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh with certificates and selections. This award was previously called as National Children Award for Outstanding Achievement. It was established in 1996 and was renamed as Bal Shakti Puraskar in 2018. Question number 4. Who among the following will be honored with the prestigious Padma Vibhushana award in public affairs? Answer Shinzo Abe. Explanation. Former Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe will be honored with the prestigious Padma Vibhushana, the second highest civilian award in India, for his major achievements in the field of public affairs. Question number 5. How many individuals will be honored with the prestigious Padma Bhushan award this year? Answer 10. Explanation. President Ramnath Kovind has approved the conferment of a total of 119 Padma Awards this year. 7 Padma Vibhushan, 10 Padma Bhushan and 102 Padma Shri. The Padma Awards are the highest civilian awards of the country. Question number 6. The IMF International Monetary Fund has projected which nation to be the fastest growing major economy for the next 2 years? Answer हो जाएगा India. Explanation. The International Monetary Fund has projected India to be fastest growing major economy for the next 2 years, displacing China. which is estimated to grow by 8.1% and 5.6% in the next 2 years. Question number 7. Which nation has become the world's top destination for new foreign direct investment in 2020? Answer: China. Explanation: China became the world's top destination for new foreign direct investment in 2020, overtaking the United States in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Though the outbreak began from China, the nation was able to quickly control coronavirus within its borders, which helped its economy rebound relatively quickly. Question number 8. As per updated forecasts by the International Monetary Fund, the Indian economy has been predicted to grow by how much in the fiscal year 2021 2022? Answer: 11.5%. Explanation: The International Monetary Fund has projected India to report a double digit expansion in the fiscal year 2021-2022. India is predicted to grow by 11.5% in 2021-2022 and 6.8% in 2022-2023 as the economy shows signs of revival after the arrival of the COVID-19 vaccine and pickup in economic activity. Question number 9. The finance minister has released how much amount to the states for proving grants to rural local bodies? Answer: rupees 12,351.5 crore. Explanation: Finance Ministry has released an amount worth rupees 12,351.5 crore to 18 states for providing grants to the rural local bodies. This is the second installment of basic grants released in the financial year 2020 and 2021. Note: Nirmala Sitharaman is the current Finance Minister of India. She took charge on 31st May 2019. Question number 10. Where is the headquarters of SpaceX? Answer: California. Explanation: Space Exploration Technologies Corp. SpaceX, established in the year 2002, which is an American aerospace manufacturer and space transportation service company. Its headquarters are in Hawthorne, California. Thank you guys.